Lenovo has introduced two new desktops designed for users looking for a compact model with which to mount a HTPC to play and as a media player up to 4K. These are the C530 and C730 Legion Cube, both with a similar external appearance, since they share design and a 19-liter box with 9 kilos of weight, although they differ in performance and in the external lighting system, since the C730 incorporates an RGB LED set. The C530 is the most economical option and can incorporate Core i3-8100, Core i5-8400 or Core i7-8700 processors with NVIDIA GeForce 1050/1050 Ti/1060 or AMD Radeon RX 560/570 graphics. Supports up to 32 GB of RAM and 256 GB M.2 SSD with another optional 2 TB mechanical. It has 4 USB 3.0 ports, 2 more USB 3.1, 2 USB 2.0, DVI graphic output, DisplayPort and HDMI. In addition, we can choose power supply between a 280 watt if we want the equipment as a multimedia center and another 450 watt if we are more gamers. The most expensive model, the C730, mounts a CPU Core i5-8400, Core i7-8700 or Core i7-8700K with graphics GeForce GTX 1060 or AMD Radeon RX 570. Supports up to 32 GB of RAM, SSD disk of 512 GB, 2 PCIe and up to 2 mechanics of 2 TB each. It has 6 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 and 450 watt power.